Hello, friends, how are you all? Hope you all are staying fine. As days are passing by, I feel I'm getting more attached to my home and family. Today, I'd like to share with you how a random day in my life looks like. I would like to disclaim that not every single day is the same. Some days are super productive, whereas some are not. Let's get started. On some mornings, I wake up to this. For breakfast, I'm making neer dosa. I call them appam, but my husband calls them dosha. ഉള്ളിക്കിരുന്ന് നേരെ ഇരുന്ന്. So that was breakfast. Now it's time to clean up. My husband encourages me to add these immunity boosters into my kids' water bottles. Sometimes this is the first thing that I do in the morning, sometimes I don't. Thar. Beautiful. Nothing much happened after lunch. For tea, I thought I'd prepare date balls, a snack with dates and nuts. First, I dry roasted some cashews, almonds, and walnuts. Once they are cooled a little bit, grind them to a coarse powder. Add some ghee to the same pan and saute the pitted dates till they become sticky. Then add the ground nuts and continue to saute. Then I place the dates mixture onto a baking sheet or any buttered surface. Then I started playing with it till I got a cylindrical form. It's going to be super hot, so please be careful if you are trying this out. Meanwhile, I tried to make the trending dalgona coffee, but it didn't become successful as I used normal coffee powder instead of instant coffee powder. I even used a blender, but it didn't work. So I made usual coffee with it as I didn't want to waste it. I did try out dalgona coffee the next day and it came out well. I will post a video soon. Once the dates mixture cooled down, I started making balls with them. You could also keep them in fridge so it becomes a little bit harder and you can cut them into circles. Later that evening, we didn't do much. I already had leftovers for dinner and my girls were coloring as usual. On a positive aspect, this lockdown helped me increase my bond with my family. We all got more quality time to spend with each other. My husband is very well updated with the changes in our kids. There are so many people living out there in fear and anxiety due to COVID-19. Let us all pray for them, and for those of us who feel are safe, let us be grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe and happy.